learn to crochet slip knot, chain, and single crochet. First, let's start with creating a slip knot. Start with wrapping the yarn around your finger one time. When the shorter end crosses over the starting point, pass this end under and pull a small loop through. Holding the loop securely in one hand, gently tug on the longer end to tighten the knot. You should be able to pull the short end of the string and it will untie the knot. This is one of the most commonly used and easiest ways to start most projects. Once again, wrap it around, pass a small loop through, and tug on the longer string to tighten. Next, we'll cover how to chain. Start by creating a slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop and tighten it so it's closer to the size of your hook, but not so tight that you'll have a hard time moving the hook back and forth. Using your non-dominant hand, hold the knot and the long end of your yarn. Your dominant hand will hold your crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook from back to front. This is called a yarn over. Use your hook to pull the yarn from the yarn over through the loop currently on your hook. This is one chain. Take the time to adjust each new loop so your hook easily moves back and forth in the loop before starting a new one. This is called tension and is something that will improve with practice. It's a really important part of crochet as it keeps your stitches even and uniform looking. Without proper tension, your projects will come out wonky, so definitely pay attention to it. Repeat the process to create as long of a chain as required for your project. Here, I think I did 10. To single crochet, turn your work and insert your hook into the second chain from your hook and yarn over. Pull your yarn through the first loop so you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull your yarn through both loops this time so you'll only have 1 loop on your hook. This is 1 stitch. Repeat the process across your piece. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.